Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a lemon pineapple pound cake. Very easy to make, but they're very good too. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to mix our liquids, and we have 4 eggs. And we have 8 ounces of crushed pineapple, and it's not drained. You do not drain it. We have a cup of vegetable oil. I use Crisco. We have a half a cup of water. And now that's all of our liquids. We're going to mix those up, and then we'll put our dry ingredients in it. This is a 3-ounce package of lemon instant pie pudding mix. And then we have 1 box of lemon supreme cake mix. We can turn that up a little bit. I think that's about right. We'll just cut that off. And I will spray our Bunt pan with Joy. I like Joy. And you want to be sure, if you have a Bunt pan like mine, it has a lot of crooks and turns, you want to be sure and get down in all that too. Because if you don't, that cake's going to stick. Okay, we're going to pour our cake in our Bunt pan. This has to bake about 45 minutes on a 350-degree oven. Anytime you see the vanilla instant pudding in a pound cake, they're usually real moist. If I ever make a pound cake and see that in it, I don't have much question about it's going to be a real moist cake. And you see a lot more of those now than you used to. Well, we didn't see them at all. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven. It's going to cook for 45 minutes. Now that our lemon pineapple pound cake is finished, it's very pretty. We're going to let that sit on this rack for just a little while, and then we will dump it on a cake plate. Now that our lemon pineapple cake is finished, it looks very moist, and I think you will enjoy this if you try it. Hope to see you on another video, and thank you for watching.